to another episode of Xact Hacks brought to you by Actionable Insights. My name is Seth Harrison, and today I want to talk about spell check in Xactimate. We are very used to having spell check available to us in the email programs that we use, in the general software that we use, on the computers that we use, but spell check can be slightly limited in Xactimate when we're executing a scope. So I wanted to show you where it exists and the best places that you can use it accordingly. As you can see here, I have an Xactimate 28 estimate open with a normal 12 by 12 room. I'm going to add a line item, WTR-DRY, and I'm going to add a note to this. Now you can see this button right here, the SP area, is spell check. So if I were to misspell something, say the dog is purple, and I use spell check, it obviously is showing me there, not only through the red mark underneath, but when I hit spell check, it comes up. If you have a very long note, it's nice to be able to open it quickly, check spell check, and continue on. Additionally, you can also find the spell check tool in places like the opening statement. So if you had an opening statement here, it will automatically check it there, and then you also have the spell check tool there in the SP right there. So that is spell check in Xactimate. Hope you enjoyed. Please use it as best as possible. Everyone likes a professional looking estimate, and I will see you next Thursday.